Hi everyone, I'm Ken Jeong and I play Gobi in the new Netflix movie Over the Moon. As you might know, I'm a doctor and I spent many years learning and developing skills in medicine and science. I see the importance of science and technology in our world and the critical need to increase the number of girls and women who are in these fields creating solutions. Netflix is partnering with Microsoft to bring computer science lessons inspired by NASA that teach coding and data science basics, all while bringing the magic, curiosity, and fun from the film. And the best part is, you don't need to have any coding experience at all to get started. If we can approach learning with the kind of inspiration we get from movies like Over the Moon, I think we can inspire others to pursue their personal passions in science and technology, and maybe even reach the moon. Watch Over the Moon on Netflix on October 23rd, and don't forget to check out our lessons.